Welcome on to the Green Dragon channel. As usual, markets burn but dragons earn. Why did Sui moon but Aptos didn't? Can Aptos pull a Sui later? Quick take, these two projects are tightly linked. Both came out of the DIM split. Part of the DIM built Sui. The other part built Aptos. Both use Move, the language originally created for DIM. So it's a fair apples-to-apples comparison. Same genetic code, different growth paths and ecosystems. Who's behind Aptos? Co-founder and CEO is Avery Chin. Important detail, he was appointed to the CFTC committee. That's huge. It signals regulatory connections and better access to institutional players, like BlackRock. Why Aptos actually matters. Aptos isn't just another layer 1. To me, it fits perfectly into the real-world assets tokenization narrative. Tokenized stocks, bonds, real estate and other real-world assets. According to Delphi Digital, Aptos is the best candidate for real-world assets products. And we are talking about a multi-trillion-dollar addressable market. Tech advantages. The chain touts very high TPS, theoretically hundreds of thousands. In practice, peak was around 20,000, which is well above typical layer 1 numbers. And very low fees and fast confirmations, exactly what you want for mass tokenization and real-world assets use cases. Institutional signals. BlackRock integrated its Beetle product with Aptos, and Aptos was the only standalone blockchain in this integration. The other 4 partners were Ethereum Layer 2. That's a major institutional vote of confidence. Aptos was also named as a candidate for a Wyoming state stablecoin, another institutional tick. But where real-world assets on Aptos stands now? Trackers put Aptos in the top 5 by asset value, and Aptos is number 1 in growth rate. That jump is strongly linked to BlackRock's activity and the surge in tokenized assets on the chain. What about security and development? Aptos runs bug bounties and audits. They pay white-hat hackers, which shows they are serious about building a secure, scalable network. Developers team. About 155 full-time developers. Sui is about twice that. On GitHub, we can see daily commits and ongoing work. It's good. Over 200 projects received grants in the ecosystem. That's meaningful bootstrapping. Activity and metrics. Daily transactions are about 4-5 millions. Daily active users just under 1 million. Peak monthly active users reported 18 million. On some aggregators, like Token Terminal, Aptos is on top 5 in daily users. Market capitalization is about 2.3 billion. FDV is about 3.8 billion. Social sentiment. Twitter score is 327. It's an excellent score. Market sentiment. 75% expect price upside. What about token utility? Staking and validation. It's proof-of-stake security. Fees. Token is used for transaction payments. And governance. Token used for protocol votes. Fundraising and unlocks. Officially raised 350 millions, but with undisclosed rounds, it can be about 500 millions. Investors include A16Z, Coinbase Ventures, Multicoin, Franklin Templeton, and others. What about unlocks? Unlock schedule is about 1% per month. Pretty tame, which lowers the risk of big dump events. Upsides and risks. Institutional partnership, like BlackRock, solid TPS, active developers, real users and transactions volume, strong fit for real-world assets. It's really good upsides. What about risks? I think it's infrastructure risk, competition for talent, projects, and some of the growth may have been venture-driven and could normalize. What's the result? Aptos is alive and kicking, real activity, institutional momentum, and a clear real-world assets angle. It's not just hype. Whether it can do a SUI depends on two things. First of all, can the ecosystem keep onboarding real products, especially tokenized real-world assets? And second, how will institutional partners behave in the next market cycle? Right now, Aptos has solid foundations for major upside, provided the team and partners keep shipping. I keep my videos short and packed with value. If you like this, smash the like button and subscribe. Want me to deep dive a token next? Drop its name in the comments. I'll cover the one with the most votes. Also, my public portfolio and trades are posted in my Telegram channel. Check the link in the description. And I think that's it. Keep calm, stay blessed. Invest like a dragon, not like the rest. Bye bye.